the antique store cat we found in here, which is pretty cool. He's in there hanging out here in the antique store. Anyway, it's kind of neat. Reminds us of our cat TT. Hey guys, we're here at an antique dealer here in Waynesville. And this is cool. I've never saw anything like this. The stuffed lion, mountain lion. There is a wolf too. This is a very unique store. Never saw anything like this before. Wow. Unique stuff. Antique. You never know what you find in an antique store. This antique's a very unique place. You can see all types of different things here. They have clocks, old radios, all types of stuff. Bookshelves. This is some awesome stuff. Never saw this stuff before. Oh, excuse me. Cool stuff. Some type of hide up here. I don't know what that is. Zebra or something. Pretty cool. All types of stuff. You get to see belt buckles. My stepfather used to make leather belts, and we used to have belt buckles. That's pretty cool. Tools, types of stuff, paintings. Man, that's some unique paintings. Wow, it's like a president picture up there or something. All types of unique things here. This is a very unique place. You never know what you find on the side of the road here in the mountains, North Carolina. Pinball machine, that's pretty cool. I wonder how much that thing would be. That's a cool pinball machine. Electric guitar. And they have a popcorn machine. It was in Ghost Town, Maggie Valley, which is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna take a picture of that thing. This is cool. Let's see where that thing is. I just want to let you guys see that. Excuse me. This here is a popcorn machine. Was in Ghost Town, Maggie Valley. It's here. This here is one of the original popcorn makers in Ghost Town, Maggie Valley. You can see all the old records they had here. This is what you normally see in these places. It's pretty awesome. Wow, all types of stuff. Fishing poles, I think Stacy and them's around there. So we'll go back through here and see if we can find any more stuff. Already went through there. Oh, some new stuff. Look at these old hats that we used to wear back in the day. They had some unique hats. Look like old Civil War pictures. Man, that lady looks mean in that picture. Some old pictures, old stuff. Bunch of old stuff. Go through here as people. All types of stuff. Look at all the deer heads up there. That's pretty awesome. Old stuff. Old clocks. Look at all these clocks. My grandmother used to have a clock like that, which is pretty awesome. This is an old record player back in the day. It's a pretty cool record player. And it's sold. Wow, this is a pretty awesome place. All types of stuff. Never know what you find in an antique place. All types of stuff. Stop.